So here we have the infamous LATERCASE. This case is made by the YouTuber Unbox Therapy, and there was some controversy over whether or not he copied Pataka's cases. This is the first time I've ever tested out a LATERCASE, so I'm pretty interested to see what it's all about. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know whether or not I recommend it. So let's get started. So it does have a pretty nice presentation. It's got a little magnetic closing box here. So this case is made of 100% Kevlar, whereas the Pataka case is made of an aramid fiber. This case is super light and it's super thin. It is a little bendy. As you can see, it will cover the back of the camera. We have our front here, which is equally as thin. I mean, look at how thin that is. It's like feather light. Now, I don't think that this has any MagSafe, which it does not, which the Pataka case does have, which would have been a nice feature. The Pataka case is actually, it seems like a little firmer. And again, like I said, it does incorporate that MagSafe technology, whereas this case does not. So let's put it on our phone. Clips into place. There is a strip of adhesive on the side to help keep this in place. First impressions. Feels really nice in the hand. Again, it is super thin. I mean, it really doesn't add any extra bulk to the phone, which is nice. Looks good on the phone. We have our cutouts on the side here for our volume and power buttons. If we look on the side here, there is just a very slight raised edge to protect your screen. There is no hinge protection. We have our cutouts on the bottom and on the top. On the back here, it's got a nice kind of smooth type texture to it. As you can see, it also does cover the majority of the camera. Feels good in the hand. I like the fact that it's super thin. Let's open it up. Opens up really nice. There is a ever so slightly raised edge on the side here. I don't know if it's going to offer much protection for the screen, but it's something to note. Close it up. Seems like the case is staying in place even without using that strip of adhesive. Not too bad. Now the only thing is if you're going to use a tempered glass screen protector, it's probably going to fill up this whole case here, and it's probably going to end up actually being flush with the case. Let's see how easy it is to take the case off. Needs a little bit of force there. And it clips on there pretty good. Not too bad. Again, I don't think that the case is just going to fall off while you're using it. So this case does seem to fit the phone pretty well. It does keep the phone super slim. Feels really nice in the hand. And I do like the fact that pretty much everything on the phone is covered, of course, except for that hinge. But I do like the inclusion of the back here where it does totally cover your camera. The only thing I'd like to see again is that inclusion of the MagSafe for the price that they're asking for this case. Let's see if it works with wireless charging. And it does. This is definitely one of the best minimalist cases that I've seen besides the Pataka case. The thing I do like about this case is the fact that the rear here does pretty much cover all of the rear camera to give you the best protection. It's not just a ring around the camera, but it does feel really nice in the hand, nice and thin. This case through and through is covered in the Kevlar material. There is no kind of soft material on the inside. It's just all that soft touch Kevlar. That's how they keep it so thin. So if you're looking for a thin, minimalist case that keeps your phone protected and is pretty strong, I would definitely recommend this case. And if you are interested in this type of case, I would also recommend checking out the Pataka MagEasy Case 3 case. It's pretty much just like this, but it includes the MagSafe ring, and also like the feel of the Pataka case a little more than I do this one too. What do you guys think? Have you guys seen the Pataka case versus this one? And if you have, which one do you like more? Let me know in the comments below. And I will be putting links to both of those cases in the video description. So if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would also recommend checking out my best and worst cases video, which is on the screen right now. That's pretty much your one-stop shop for a ton of different cases. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.